A newlywed couple tragically drowned while on their honeymoon. Hi everyone, I'm Sandra Matos. Welcome to IO. Family and friends were left in shock after Rodgers and his wife Lynette drowned while on their honeymoon in South Africa. Lynette was a physiotherapist and John was an office worker. The two got married last Saturday, and while they were celebrating their joyous union at Plettenberg Bay, they got caught and succumbed to a riptide. Lynette's Facebook message before leaving on their honeymoon is not only sad but chilling. John and myself would like to thank everyone that joined us on Saturday and for all the well wishes. We greatly appreciate it and had the best day ever. Heading off today, so we'll speak to everyone when we return. A local man discovered John's body washed up in shallow water on Plettenberg Beach. Lynette's body was found around 200 meters away on the same beach. Emergency paramedics performed CPR on the couple, but it was too late. They were both pronounced dead at the scene. Here at IO, our hearts and prayers go out to this couple's family during this difficult, tragic time. I'm Sandra Matos. Thank you for watching.